So, okay, so today what I'm going to do is go over how to add different people and their roles to your Facebook fan page. So right here I'm on my fan page, and what I want to do is add someone as an advertiser. So I'm going to go over here to settings, and then I go over here to page roles. You can see it says page roles there, and click on that. Now I'm going to assign a new page role. The way to do that is either to type the name or the email for people. So let's see, I'm going to type in someone I know, and then you can choose from one of these 6 different levels, and I'll show you what each one does in a table at the end of the video. But right now I'm just going to put her as an advertiser, so she go in and actually create ads, promotions, boosted posts, stuff like that. And I'm going to add her. It's going to ask for my password. Okay. And then it shows here that it's pending for her to come in as an advertiser. And that's pretty much it. What's going to happen is she's going to get a message saying, all right, you've been added as an advertiser, and do you accept or do you decline for this page? And right here I'll just bring in a picture of what everything is. So I'll just hold this here for a little bit so you can see what each one does. And you could find the same information on the facebook.com page if you search for the roles for fan pages. And there you have it. And that's pretty much it. Again, if you're a small business, whether you're a car dealership, a plastic surgeon, dentist, cosmetic dentist, cosmetic surgeon, if you do microblading or old therapy or anything like that, and you'd like someone to come in and handle your Facebook ads, help get you more customers into your business, please feel free to contact us. Our website's down below this video, and you could click on that just to find out a little bit more about us, and you can even sign up for a discovery call to see if we might even be able to help you. Look forward to hearing from you, and have a good day, and I hope this was helpful.